Okay, we're back. So, we'll go ahead and pop these pins off of here. So on an Evo, there's a notch right here. You put a little pickup under there. It's got a round wire lock in there that pops out. Drops down the motor and you have problems. Do you hear that, Joe?
Yep.
So what are you going to do about that?
Put rags in there?
Yeah, so why don't you cover the rag up?
Huh?
Get that rag in there. Cover the hole. What are you doing? I only got one
Cover
rag.
that one.
I only got one rag.
For both cylinders?
Yes. Well, you can't make a rad stretch? Come on. Look at that. There's plenty of room in there. I need a pick. There's a pick right there. It'll pick. Oh, it's bent. Got a snaggle tooth on the end of that thing. Wow. Who did that? Someone abused somebody abused my pick. What are you doing? Taking pictures with your camera over there? He's cheating over there.
Send a text message.
Text. Oh, shit. Motor is junk. Send money. Is that going to South Africa, or oh, those all come here? I got the wrong place. Okay, where's this clip going to go to? This clip
not
here.
in the motor.
This clip's not on the hole where it belongs. Move it over a little bit. What do you mean not on the motor?
Not in the motor.
Not in the motor? Why not?
Because that's why we got the rag in there.
What about this side? I don't have a rag on this side. You can take it out nice and easy like that. As long as the clip is still in line in there, you haven't bent the piss out of it, it's reusable. That is dirty. When you put dirty parts to clean there. Told you about that.
I gotta tell you.
How about this one?
Same thing.
Same one? Blowing stuff in there?
Blow it down so
Where's the clip at? Oh, they put the whole way up on the top.
must have up
Jeez.
the compression bit with all that carbon on there.
It's going to make it hard to get this motor apart.
You can't get that out?
And it won't move. No, they put it dead center. How are you going to move it? Yep, that's the hardest thing you do is collapse the whole thing on itself. Good luck on having that happen. Dumbass did that. And it won't move. It's beat in there.
Try this side.
I think it's going to come out there, but we can try. It's hard.
Oh, didn't go in the motor.
Where'd you go?
It's underneath the floor. Something on the floor.
Yeah, it's right on your side.
Think so?
Yep.
Got the flashlight?
Nope. There you go. One on my side. See, I had a good tool, that's why it worked. It did a lot of work. You're in my way, I'm trying to work over here. Find it yet?
No.
Why not?
Gotta get out of the way.
So I can pull the other side out. They did the same thing again. They did exactly the same thing on this piston. It's practice. It's right there next to the front tire.
Next to what?
It's on top of the rack where I thought it was.
Up here?
It's right in front of the tire.
Right in front? Oh. This was.
Joe, where's it at?
Sounded like it hit the ground.
I thought it hit the table. It did hit the table. It hit me in the leg.
What are you putting these in? Dirty parts?
Well, does it look dirty to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rag, I got oil leaking over here again.
You got an oil leak.
My rags in
How come all of these are in the wrong spot?
Is that one for oil?
There's another one dead center. There's three of them in the wrong spot. One was in the right spot.
Oil rag?
You can wipe up oil, but here's a better one over here. There's a nice dirty one there. You making an oil mess?
Yeah, that's it.
You got, well, the head's got oil in it. It had oil in it. That's all going on the ground. You got, you know what? Okay, which piston's out?
Huh?
Which piston you got there?
Which piston?
This is front.
Yep.
What's this one?
R.
Rear. That's one thing about a signal tooth, it scribes real good in the piston joints.
That was front, rear?
Front, rear.
Front, rear.
Which one?
You want to just leave them here?
I was alright where they're at, that's why they were sitting there.
Just trying
See,
to
this
get
doesn't
both
fit
of
in
them.
there. This doesn't fit in there. Now we gotta knock these out. Boom, boom, boom. Try not to beat on the rod too much. Go ahead and hold the base of the rod there. You got it? Let it go.
Oh, it came out.
Sure, so you can have it. Pretty good motor.
Which
Everything
barrel?
comes out
Which
nice.
barrel is it, front and rear?
Everything comes out nice and free. The wrong rod. This motor wasn't abused. Not until you got a hold of it. Lots of light hits is good. Once the piston moves, stop beating on it. It'll come out.
I don't know which barrel was front and back.
Doesn't matter, they're marked.
Oh, there?
What, the cylinders? Oh, I don't care. Did you mark them? I didn't mark them.
You probably tell the difference.
I didn't care. I wasn't concerned about that because I'm not used to that. I'm used to having a Harley where the front and rear are different. If I had to guess, I'd say this is the rear one because it's filthy here. And that one's probably the front one because it's not filthy there. Now this one I was pulling more gasket off on the rear. That's definitely the rear.
That was the rear.
That's definitely the rear. So this is the front one right here, right?
Okay. Which one are you pulling the gasket off of? The rear
Let me
one?
see that one. Yeah.
Well, this is not the gasket's not messed up on that one. That's the rear, you said. Front. Okay. Never mind. Pistons look really good. Yeah, I just got babied this thing.
So now you change the oil and do what you're supposed to do.
All you do is add a phone to it, I think.
Everybody picks on Evo motors. I'm telling you, they're good motors. Yeah, nice tight rod. Got the correct amount of clearance in the front. See how it's a lot looser in the back one? It should be twice as much, and look at it. See, it is twice as much. See?
Yeah, the front one should be twice as much.
Yeah, that's like 3 times though, but nice and free. Rod's probably slightly out of round, that's why it's tighter, but it's got clearance in it. See how it goes side to side? That means it's not pinched on the crank, so it's not out of round real bad. So that's good. It's a good crank.
That's good news.
Got 65 on it. It's got another 65 in it. Till you start driving the piss out of it.
I don't ride a hard though.
Now you will.
That's right fast.
Okay, kickstand's down still.
Right now the kickstand is down.
Okay, I have to drop this thing down. Drop away. Get going for it.
The thing's not on though.
What thing?
The lift.
What lift?
Do we need it?
Is the kickstand down?
Yeah.
Drop it down.
You want to do this in order to make sure it don't fall off the stand?
Why is it gonna fall off stand?
I don't trust things like this.
You don't trust it's gonna fall off the bench?
I don't trust the kickstand. Remember we had problems with it before?
Well, maybe you should put a safety device on there if you're worried about it.
I should put a real Harley Davidson kickstand on it.
Oh, is that what it is? Well, that would help. You happy with it?
Yeah, I could go down a little further, but
Oh. You mean like all the way on the kickstand this time?
yeah, I just want to make sure it's not going to fall off the edge.
Did it fall off the edge yet?
It's real close.
Let's move this way then.
Are you asking that way?
No, front now. Look at the wheel. You've been rolling it forward. It used to be way in the back. You went forward. When you went forward, guess what happened?
Moved it over.
It moved over.
I just push it backwards a little bit.
No, you go over here. Right here the wheel is. Move this crap out of the way. And you go like that.
Okay.
See how hard that was? Then you go, oh, my back hurts.
What's the tank of this grass?
I don't care about the gas tank. What kind of Allen is that?
Small.
Small. Small Allen. You got any big Allens?
Yeah.
Small Allens.
Got a whole rack of them here. Long fucking screws too.
Don't put screws in there? You don't like those screws?
It came with rivets.
Ooh. You took them out? You butchered it? It was all original?
I bought this the cover off eBay.
Ooh.
I wanted the original one. It had some really funky looking one on it.
That's not the original one because it's got black on it.
How do you know it's not? What the black ones come on?
Didn't come with black. That's painted.
Well, that part's painted, but it had black writing on it.
Yeah. But they're all natural.
This one had black writing though.
Someone put black on there.
I don't think so. I know this part. Yeah, the V2. I put that on myself. But this lettering was already black.
Yeah,
I haven't seen another one like that.
most time they're silver.
Clean. Phillips head, right?
Where's your Phillips head? It's not Phillips head, they're Allens.
Oh, yeah, okay. I see what you're saying.
Yeah, oil in there. There's an oil leak right there.
What does that mean?
Typical Harley oil leak, the cam seal leaks, like they always do. Who's been here playing?
Probably me.
Those screws have more than one position they've been in. Who did that?
I don't know if it came like that or if I put it in there. I put that new ignition module in there. I never did get a timing on it.
Somebody's been in there dicking with it. I can tell. I know that kind of things. Okay, we need some kind of a pan over here.
Oil pan?
Yep.
I want to find that.
An oil pan? Right there.
Huh? Oh. Good pan.
Or you go get that container over there.
This?
Nope. Tupperware.
This?
Yep.
Got oil in it already.
Yeah, no shit.
Never before, huh?
Transmission oil. There's transmission oil the other day, remember? Where's your screw? Did you lose it?
For what?
Take your screw out. Nah, that's probably too small. Nope, that's the right one. Got some goop on this thing.
More of that orange silicone?
They shouldn't be this
Little
tight.
leak back there, huh?
They should not be this tight. Okay, you got it. Oh, crap on that screw.
Yeah.
Okay, you need to unplug me.
On what? On the middle? I just tie wrapped that thing, huh?
The harness?
The regulator to the harness.
I don't want the regulator harness. I want this unhooked so I can get it out of here.
Yeah, I mean the regulator's tied onto that wire.
Should be underneath. Should be a connection underneath the bike. A three-prong connection somewhere.
It has, but I just zip tied it.
What did you do that for?
Put the regular wire on the same.
Oh, you knew you were going to work on this thing.
Where the dice go?
Then it's my drawer, top long drawer. Wipe your hands off? Nope.